Welcome back. Today I'll be covering the why and how of featuring your item within the My Little Salesman online marketplace. When sellers decide to feature an item, it will appear in the topmost section of its category. This is a simple, straightforward way of giving your item more exposure toward potential buyers. For example, if I choose to browse the drop deck trailers for sale, the first 3 listings I'll see are those that have been featured, which can be identified by a blue bar running along the top of the listing. Here's how you can start featuring your items within minutes. Access your inventory page. Within the grid, there's a column titled Featured. If none of your items are featured, they'll be marked with a red No icon. Click the corresponding button of the item you wish to feature. From there, you'll be taken directly to your shopping cart where you'll be prompted to select the length of time you wish to have the item featured. We've also made it easy to feature multiple listings at once. Using the checkbox column, select the listings you'd like to feature. Once they're selected, click Bulk Actions and then Feature, which will begin the same checkout process. And that's it. Just a couple quick steps and your listings will stand out from the rest. If you have any follow-up questions or feedback regarding this functionality, we'd be happy to hear from you. Just give us a call at 1-877-808-4804. From all of us at My Little Salesman, thank you for your time and business.